Hello students. Our today's class is about the novel The Vendor of Sweets by R.K. Narayan. Well, before talking about its plotline and analyzing the novel, let's talk about its main characters. Its main characters are Jagan, the protagonist. Basically, this novel has three main characters: Jagan, father, representing traditional India; Mali, his son, representing the change, the modern India; and Grace, who works like a chain between the two Indias, between Jagan and Mali, although she's from outside, but still she connects both the Indias, both the generations, and works as a connecting link between the two. The cousin is there, he shows the social part in Indian life, the others play. Well, to talk about the story of this novel was written in 1967. And about the story of this novel, that it happens in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi, and there lives a character K.V. Jagan, a follower of Gandhi. In his youth, he was an activist, but now lives a simple life. He follows naturopathy. His wife died due to chronic headache, whom when Mali, the son, was young. Jagan tried his best to keep his son happy and fulfill all his little dreams, but Mali's ambitions are not well with Gandhian philosophy. Without his father's knowledge, he arranges for his flight to America to study story writing, leaving his studies in between. Jagan is shocked but somehow manages with his situation. After 3 years, Mali returns to Malgudi with an American girl, Grace, to establish a story writing machine factory in Malgudi. He has taken to Western lifestyle. Jagan is full of pain, but Grace establishes good relationships by showing concern for Jagan. Jagan wants his son to take up his sweet shop, but this idea is disgusting and frustrating for Mali. In the end, Mali is in prison for driving in a drunk condition. Jagan gives up everything to his cousin to hand it to Mali. He also gives some money for Grace so that she can go back to her country. In the end, he retires from active life and joins Chinna Dorai, or in other words, for peace, the Vanprasth ashram. So, Vendor of Sweets is both serious and playful. It shows India's resistance to change and comfort that tradition and rituals can provide. So, what the story is very simple. It is between the father and son. Father is for standing for the traditional values, and the son who is attracted towards the West and who wants to go for story writing, not interested in studies, comes back, somehow arranges for a foreign trip for America, and when he returns back he wants to establish a business, comes back with a girl. So father is very much disturbed, but this father son relationship presents a universal theme of generation gap. Their attitude towards life, education, love, marriage, business are entirely different. But we know that this antipathy, this friction of Mali, is because his relation with his mother. Generation gap is always there. But in this particular case, Mali is not happy with his father, the way he treated his mother. In Jagan and Mali's relations, we can see the age old drama. Father's love becomes a burden for the son. He is not responding to his father's caring. Written in 1677 in the fictional town of Malgudi, this novel presents the traditional old system which was crumbling. The India was passing through the transitional stage. It presents A struggle of old India against new ideas, where the attraction for West is very much strong. Man woman relationships also presented differently from both the angles. The new ideas comes as a shock when Jagan comes to know that his son and Grace are not married. A rebellion can be also seen as a dominant theme of this novel. The whole novel's tone is very sober because the novel has been presented through the older man from Jagan's point of view. He is unable to cope up with the present, with his grown up son. He again and again resorts to his past as he was having his own will. His father was having his own will. His family repressed him. The same is happening now with Mali. The changing times, the older generation is unable to adjust with the changing times. The novel has been written in a very simple language. Third person narration is there, and it's a very neutral representation. We don't find that Narayan is criticizing the traditional values or favoring the modern ones. He just represents, he just gives us the scene, the scenario. A story comes back and forth. There is a sobriety in the whole atmosphere, in the whole story, because it's the story of the crumbling old values where India has to march towards the new times, and the old one are trying to resist the change. It is because of his simple language that R.K. Narayan is very much favorite in India, favorite of India. And Vendor of Sweet he presents the story in a serious and playful way. It shows India's resistance to change and comforts that tradition and rituals can provide. Thank you, students. We will dwell more on the characterization of Jagan, Mali, and Grace in the coming session. Thank you. Thank you, students.